So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. So now we are going to solve another problem of Leetcode, that is subsets. So it is a medium problem. So here we are given that an integer array nums of unique elements, and we need to return all possible subsets of that given array. The solution set must not contain duplicate subsets. Return the solution. So we can return this solution in any order, and we need to return all the possible subsets of that given array. So let's take this example. We are given nums equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3. So here are these possible subsets. So our basic approach will be that we will take an element, and we have two ways. Means we can either include or either exclude our given element. So with this approach we will use recursion, and now let's see the code. So now let's make a 2D vector that we need to return, and I will name it as ans. I'm making another vector that I will store the output, and then I'll call a function as solve, and I'll pass the values on output 0. This will represent the index, so that's why I'm starting it with 0. And one more thing, that is nums, the array which is given to us. Now let's make our function. So its return type will be void, and I'll name it as solve, and uh, vector, and once vector int output I, and vector nums. So now let's see the base condition. If the value of I is greater than the length of the array, then our work is done. So we need to return. So if I is greater than equal to nums dot size, then we will push back the array, that is our output in ans, uh, and we will return. Okay, great. So after that we need two way. We are going to declare two ways, that is either include or exclude. So for exclude, so we will simply call the function ans output, and this will be I plus 1, and because we are excluding that first element, so that's why we have increased the index by 1. So and as it is. Okay, this is all for exclude. Now we need to include that particular element. So for that, first let's uh, push back that element in our output vector. So for this, we need to push back nums of I, and again we will call that function. I plus 1 nums. Okay, great. I think I have done with my code. Now let's try to run our code. Okay, I have forgotten to return our vector. Yes, let's again try our. Okay, yes, it is accepted. Now let's try to submit our code. Yes, it's a success. So I hope that you are able to solve this problem, and I hope that you learned from this video. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to share my video. Thank you and have a nice day.